Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. Features also include heated seats, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Come take a test drive today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.